today's topic is about anti-cancer agent based on the pyrimidine metabolism. For that, you have to know that some particular reaction related to this pyrimidine metabolism. One of the important reaction, that is conversion of deoxy-UMP into the deoxy-TMP. Here both the structure is shown, UMP and TMP. So this conversion need enzyme, that is thymidylate synthase. So this enzyme, depending on that coenzyme, that is THFA, and this THFA containing methylene group. So this methylene group is donated over the deoxy-UMP, so that converted into the deoxy-TMP. So along with this reaction, THFA is convert into the dihydrofolic acid. Now this reconversion of dihydrofolic acid to the THFA is needed. For that, another enzyme, that is dihydrofolate reductase, is needed, which is depending on the NADPH. Further, this THFA will get this methylene group with the help of serine amino acid, and this serine is converted into the glycine. So this cycle will be continue, and if any of enzyme, either thymidylate synthase or dihydrofolate reductase is affected, then conversion of UMP to the deoxy-TMP will be affected. So that is main site for the activity of the anti-cancer agent. So these anti-cancer drugs specifically block deoxy-TMP production. So either of any enzyme is affected, then this reaction can be blocked. So first, fluorouracil. From the name you can also remember that uracil, so that is one of the pyrimidine. So you can remember that it is anti-cancer agent based on the pyrimidine. So fluorouracil, that is inhibiting this thymidylate synthase enzyme. It is another name, that is fluorodeoxyuridylate. So it is working as a suicidal inhibitor. Whatever the product is generated from this drug, that is more potent inhibitor of this enzyme thymidylate synthase. Now one more, that is aminopterin and methotrexate. So this methotrexate, that is structurally similar to the folic acid, which is able to inhibit this dihydrofolate reductase enzyme. So this enzyme is inhibited, then whatever the DHFA, dihydrofolic acid, is not able to convert into the tetrahydrofolic acid. So further, this whole formation of this UMP to the TMP will be affected, or it will be reduced. So this methotrexate, that can also affect this particular UMP to the TMP conversion. Further in detail, same as a fluorouracil, which is able to inhibit this thymidylate synthase enzyme. So same as a fluorouracil, iodouracil, iododeoxyuridine, azaruridine, azacitidine, that can also inhibit this same enzyme thymidylate synthase. So all in this name, you can remember that name uracil, cytidine is there. From that also you can understand these all are related to the pyrimidine. Now one more drug, that is zidovudine, that is name, that is azidodeoxythymidine, again that thymidine, so you can also understand related to the pyrimidine, activated by the phosphorylation within the cell. So this drug will be activated, infected with the virus. So this drug is used not as an anti-cancer, but basically based on the antiviral agent. Now one more, that is cytosine arabinoside, where ribose is replaced by the arabinose. So here basically not affecting this particular pyrimidine nitrogen base, but what are the ribose sugar? Mostly in the DNA there is a deoxyribose sugar, and in the RNA ribose sugar is there, that is now replaced by the arabinosides. So arabinose is there, and that is not helping to make any bond for the further formation of RNA or DNA molecule. So that can be also utilized as an anti-cancer agent. Now one more, that is azasarin. Now that azasarin, so serine amino acid, and one more, that aza group is present over that, is glutamine antagonist, thereby inhibit the reaction involving the glutamine. Here you have to remember that one more reaction related to the pyrimidine, where UTP is converted into the CTP, but this UTP to CTP conversion, one amino group is needed, and that is donated by this glutamine. So this azasarin, that can affect both this purine as well as pyrimidine, so based on that CTP synthetase. So this azasarin, that is also one of the anti-cancer agent. So that's all about the some anti-cancer agent based on the pyrimidine metabolism.